give it to you. You're just gonna put it on me. It's really ouch. Do I explain?
Well, there are no beaches in Phoenix, so here we are. We're actually in LA, not in San Diego. It was like another 20 minutes to the trip to go to San Diego from north of Phoenix via LA, so we figured why not. Some more cool thrift stores. You all know we love our thrift stores. But yeah, so now it's just enjoying the cold, cool ocean water. Oh yeah, it is kind of glittery.
Yeah, Solana Beach. If you go in the water, it does that same glitter thing. The water is chilly. I wonder what that is. Like, is that like just a form of mica even?
I'm gonna guess it's pieces of shells.
The glitter?
Yeah.
I don't think so. It's gotta be
Because shells have like translucence.
yeah, but this is more than translucence. This is like when we remember in Coronado Beach. This is similar to that. And I actually had like a bunch of these little, almost they look like mirrors almost. When you like look at one really close. I'm gonna try and get one on my finger.
Yeah, you know, I do think that they're just pieces of shell.
See, look at there's like a.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. I think it's like some form of mica or.
Interestingly enough, if you can see, yeah, there, can I zoom? That island, I was like, these look like there's some kind of a resort, but when you zoom in, those are actually like there's oil tankers on there. And you look in Google Maps. Anyways, I thought it was interesting that they dressed them up so it looks like some kind of a resort island, but you look from Google Maps and it's just a whole bunch of like oil field tankers and pipes and I can put up with a lot of hot days if I have my feet in water. Oh, and to allude to another potential thing, curveball, I'll just give you guys a hint without giving you a hint. Where did it go? Oh yeah. So, whatever you saw there might be a future in one form or another.
Good?
Yeah. Simple things amuse simple minds.
It is weird though. It's like it goes from a solid to like a soup.
Kind of funny. That kid was screaming bloody murder
Yeah.
when he was put in the water, washing all the sand off, and his mom was laughing. But now he's trying to warm himself up on the concrete. But see him, he's up now. But that was hilarious. She was trying to get him to move. He's like, nope, staying right here and warming up on the concrete.
shock.
The first step in always is. Well, we are at Solana Beach now. San Diego, you can see down the coast. So, yeah, here we are, just enjoying the cool water.
You're on, bitch.
So one problem we have in this van, and our last one we had window coverings. This we didn't have time to prepare them. I did bring cardboard, but I cut one. It ended up being too small, so now it doesn't fit in. Anyways, what we did is we went to Walmart and for 15 bucks got this like almost limo tint. It's 5%. I'm going to cut, and this is the static cling one, so it doesn't need any glue, doesn't need water, doesn't need anything. You just make sure the window's clean and it sticks to the window.
And then you can peel it on and off, right?
Yeah, you can peel it off, peel it on. But we'll probably leave it on because like during the day it's bright enough that you can see out. Anyway, so I'm going to trim this down. I'm going to start with this window right here because I can do it easily from the outside. And we'll get it up. If everything works, then I'll cut the other two for the back window, or the two rear ones, and then the very back window. Here goes.
Pretty thick, that stuff?
No, this knife is just dull. Alrighty, well, I think that's decent. You can't see anything through that. And then from the inside, you can see the original, which was already kind of dark tint, but then this side, which is very dark. And you can see through it, but just not as much as you can through the rest. And the back window has about half a strip because we had enough to do that. But yeah, so here you can't see in. This one, well, you can kind of tell here. You can see the line where the tint starts. And then this side, you can actually see through to the front okay. But out of those other two windows now, it's just darkness inside. So yeah, that actually makes a pretty big difference. Yep. Which gives us the privacy we need to be stealth. Because really that's all you need. We're not throwing out lawn chairs. We're not rolling out that fake green grass carpet, pulling an awning out and setting up camp for a month. We want to just be able to roll in quiet and get in and get out. You can see the Dutch in Maryland saving the scraps. We can maybe we can tint the rear view mirrors with that little bit. No, I don't want that piece. She might want it.
You had it with this.
Oh, my bad. Anyways, now we're gonna go find a place to park. We have everything set up, pardon the dinging. Everything's set up in the back. We have our sleeping bags, everything's ready to go. So all we have to do is just hop in and go to sleep. But we're probably gonna go down, walk to the beach.
Yeah, it's only 7:30.
Yeah, it's weird. Up in Edmonton, it's light until like 10 or 11 p.m. or close to summer solstice, and we have light until like 11:30, and then it's light again at like 4 in the morning. But here at like 6 to 7, it goes from broad daylight to like someone drops the curtain. So we better go park, go for a walk while it's still light, and yeah. So while it isn't glamorous, the view here is unreal. Well, this is our sunset. We spent so long chopping up the tint that we missed the actual sunset, but this isn't half bad. It's hazy, misty, cotton candy skies. It's actually pretty decent. Yeah. I think this is where we'll go. We'll see tomorrow. Actually, it's pretty good in dark. Different.